Broom sedge, also known as beard grass, wolf grass, or poverty grass, is a weed that thrives in grazing areas that are poorly kept or maintained. Despite its name, broom sedge isn't actually a sedge, but a grassy weed in disguise. Once established, livestock will avoid this low-quality grass, allowing it to spread and take over the property's native turf. In this video, we'll go over how to identify broom sedge, how to get rid of broom sedge in areas it doesn't belong in, and how to prevent broom sedge from growing back once removed. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Broom sedge is a perennial that grows in clumps with multiple stems emerging from one crown. Including the stem, this weed grows to be about 2 to 4 feet in height. Depending on the species, the leaf blades are 4 to 6 millimeters wide and 4 to 24 inches long. When the plant is young, broom sedge grows green and upright, but quickly turns a golden orange color. The flowering head it produces looks similar to brooms. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Broom sedge emerges in spring as green clumps, then from late summer to fall, they become golden brown broom-like spikes. Broom sedge prefers to grow in dry, open spaces that are exposed to sunlight where the soil is made of clay, sand, gravel, or rocks. Common sites where broom sedge is a problem include pastures, railroads, and parks. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of broom sedge on your property, you'll need to create and apply a tank mix of chemicals like Quali-pro Glyphosate Plus Herbicide and SFM Extra Pre-Emergent Herbicide. Mix the labeled rates of 1 to 2 quarts of Quali-pro Glyphosate Plus with 2 to 4 ounces of SFM Extra Pre-Emergent into 10 to 40 gallons of water. Due to this treatment's high volume application, we recommend you apply your solution with a backpack sprayer or a spray rig. Spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. The visible effects of your solution may not be seen until 7 or more days have passed after the initial application. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent unwanted grasses from growing on your property, we recommend you promote the health of your desired turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and other unwanted grasses and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove broom sedge from your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.